Okay, then we're starting. Sorry you can't see me, but I can't nothing for it. So it's about their assassin name's actually Deathman. But everybody's calling Connor. He has a rare name like Kanikunahale or something like that. Oh, there comes something after me. Oh, I have to go. Oh my god. Oh. How do you play this game? So his family died and lived like that. Okay. Oh, I'm good at this game. Take that. Can I shoot something? Ooh, I'm good at this game. Oh, där fick du. I'm actually Norwegian if you're looking at that. Yeah. Oh, come after me. Oh, you think you're cool? Huh? Like, oh. Shoot. Oh my god. Kan jeg skyte? Oi, jeg er god i dette spillet, ass. Jeg er seriøst god i dette spillet. Sjekk her. Oi. Neida, jeg tror jeg har spilt dette spillet mange ganger før. Det er en av de spillene jeg liker å spille best. Jeg ligger på 57 i verden, så jeg er ganske god i det. Smell, ass. Og den. That ass. Der, ja. Han er Brian. Der. Der. Fikk han. Igjen. Greit, jeg tror jeg må avslutte der, ja. Takk for at du ville se på Game Time with William. See you soon.